A debate started in society after Palghar lynching. What is the debate? Is our cop is ready for service or not? The same discussion was in course when the Nirbhaya things have happened in Delhi. So there has been some unrevealed fact in that position. So we want to discuss. We'll reveal it. Two pictures in one frame or two videos in one frame. One from Palghar and one from Uttarakhand. One shames us to police cop and one should proud. Why are we discussing? There is a cause. On 16th of April, mob lynched two monks and one car driver in Palghar district, not in Palghar actually. It is from far away from Palghar to Gadchinchole. A rumor created fears and fears was turned in vigilant group. Most disturbing thing in that minute of video is mob just swiftly hijacked the monk from the hand of police cop without any strong resist by a policeman. Both were suspended, but suspension is not answer. The facts behind are different and we need to discuss the facts. The one fact says fake news and false news. Mark Zuckerberg grilled by an American Congress before few years. In the context of Cambridge Analytica. And what is Cambridge Analytica? It is the data firm which provide a service to the campaign for political and elections. And in investigation made by Carol Cadwallader by The Guardian, it reveals some facts. Cambridge Analytica did a hunt on a democracy. How it did? Cambridge Analytica is the database company. By harvesting the Facebook data, they managed to manipulate the voters' turnout in political parties. After investigation done by Carol Cadwallader, it found it. And Cambridge Analytica forcefully closed by the UK government. India is the largest WhatsApp user without any professional training or schooling. In last 1 year, 27 mob lynchings are and by the WhatsApp rumor. Indian Express just revealed an investigative article by the title Murderous Mob, and it found there are certain possibilities of helpless police. The circumstances of each and every lifting is the child lifting of rumors. The common plot is helpless police and migrant victim. We have WhatsApp. We have millions and millions of users of social media and WhatsApp, but we don't have technical or professional knowledge how to use, how to deal with fake news and how to just go with a proper knowledge or proper information. In case of COVID, if you go with a WhatsApp rumor or WhatsApp fake information about Tablighi Jamaat, you found how it haunt one by one for our society values. It is just doing a damage and we need to control it, and how it controlled by only for reveal a proper information. Facts need to discuss against the fake news. That's the only answer. The second problem is the helpless police. The murderous mob have a similar sequences of helpless police. In all of incident, police are keys, but they fail to protect it and then it happened. So what it mean? If they fail to protect, mob should do a final hunt. If cops stand within power, no one have dared to touch anyone, no one have daring to lynch anyone. Example is the SI Gagandeep Singh, who hugged the Muslim man and saved a life by lifting away from the mob. So is there any solution for this? Yes, there is a solution, and the solution is police reforms. We need to discuss first about police reforms. Without police reforms, we can't survive. We can't just go for this kind of horrendous and horrific mob. We need to go for change. Daily policing job and handling of mob is the different task. Handling of law order, maintaining all the festivals, VIP guests, insurgency, epidemics, disaster, preventing riots, gangsters, strikes. This list is going on. But what about facilities? Prolonged duty hour, incertitude duty locations, less availability of timely and good food, no time for exercise. Is you think these are important issues in policing or not? Fitness is a key in any of physical duties. In conclusion, don't blame them. Be the voice for their rights. Ask facilities for them. Strenuous work need fit and trained cop, and it shall happen. No will deny it should or not. it should be. Candle March is the one of way to do solidarity with a cop. But standing for their rights, asking their facilities to government is our duty. But asking reforms to the government is a primary duty of citizen. Do it.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.